Hi again, it's Annie from Thursday Pools. We've been collecting the most common questions people have when looking into a pool purchase. Here is question 3 in our series. What's the best time of year to buy a pool? It sounds cliche, but right now, the swimming pool industry has seen tremendous growth in the last couple of years, so many pool builders have a little bit of a backlog. So if you want to get a pool, the quicker you can get on someone's install list, the better. If you are one of those folks who thinks you're going to be getting a discount in the fall, I only see that happen when pool builders are still looking to fill their schedule, and they will use a fall promo as an incentive to do that. Again, because of the demand, most pool builders haven't had to worry about filling their schedules, so a fall promo isn't something you can count on. We hope you are learning new things with each question in our series. If after talking to a dealer, you have any questions about fiberglass pools, visit us at thursdaypools.com.